I need to borrow some money.
What for? Don't you have enough with your allowance?
I'll pay it back, I promise.
How much?
It's no big deal. Some debts I have to repay.
How much do you owe?
Not much.
Katya, come on.
20?
20,000?
26. Don't look at me that way. I know you checked my account. How does that make you feel? Snooping on your own family. I'm a grown-up. I'm your older sister. Stop treating me like a child. It's embarrassing.
You started it again, didn't you? You promised you wouldn't do it again.
It's not what you think.
No?
I've got it under control.
What about Femi? Have you thought about him?
What about Femi? I love Femi.
How would you think he would feel if he knew where you're up to? Are you going to keep on destroying your life and everyone around you?
I'm not going to leave. I told you already.
Take Katya home and make sure she stays there.
I'm not a child.
Franz will take you home. He would look after you now. We'll talk about the money tomorrow. I'm not going to let you throw away your life.